In this video, we will look at how to find math-related books in the Learning Resources Center. These are materials that are appropriate for K-12 students. From the library's main page, choose Advanced Search. Enter your math-related topic in the search box and scroll down where we are going to limit to print books and also limit to the Learning Resources Center. Again, this is where we will find materials that are appropriate for elementary, middle, and high school students. In your search results, be sure to pay attention to where the book is located. This will tell you a little bit more about what type of book you are looking at. If we scroll down, you will see the first two are math textbooks. If we scroll a little further, you'll notice here are a few books that have a Y plus a Dewey number and an author name call number. These books tend to be nonfiction or books that are on a very specific topic. In this case, books that are on math-related topics will be in the 510s or the 512s. Pay attention and make sure that you see Learning Resources Center Youth Collection books. If we scroll a little farther, you will see that you will sometimes get books with a YE call number. Those are more traditional picture books. As you can tell from this one of the subjects that it deals with is geometry. So it seems like it could be related, but I would have to check out the book to see if it's what I need. Once you have decided on a book that you want, you will need to request the book. Use the Request It button, and this will either take you to the library request form, or it will take you to where you need to set up a Library Express account. Once you've created an account in Library Express, then the next screen should show you your book request. The fields with title and other information should already be filled out. So all you will need to do is to scroll down, click on I consent to the terms of this agreement, which basically just means that you agree to follow copyright, and then click Submit Request. You will get a notification as soon as the book is available. Once you get your notification, you can pick up the book at the main desk in the library, or if you are at a distance, the book can be mailed to your home. If you have any questions, please reach out to cindy.judd@eku.edu.